Good morning mga idol, no? I'm on my way to get my friend, my kumpare, Rodel Ferrer. So this is the episode number 2 of our, plans to bring back the samurai into life. So hopefully, whatever it costs today, hopefully it will, the engine will fire. Okay, this is the watershed area. You see, like in the middle of the forest. Okay. As I've said, it's a low-cost budget meal rig. So the purpose is just putting it back to the road. But if things will get worse, the samurai will be junk for life. Okay, it will stay there for life already, rotting. Okay, so thank God I have a lot of friends, who can help me, and hopefully they will be able to revive the samurai. Alright, idol. Later on, I'll give you the update of the episode 2 of Samurai. Okay, for the meantime, have a nice day, everyone. Kirisipin otro bro, manggil. Ha? Pero gasolina semua. Wow. Patalian mo bro, mau mo. Oo. Tandaan, no? Okay. Yeah. It's alive! It's alive! Yes! It's alive! Oh, Banay! Yes! Alive!